What's up YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Today I'm on my way to the shop and I'm going to be meeting Mooch there. Today we're going to be wrapping the Miata. As you can see from behind me, I got my wrap. I'll be showing you guys what it looks like a little bit later. A little shaky camera. But as soon as we get there, I'll be taking everything, getting ready, cleaning up, and I got to show you what I did to the Miata because I did a ton of work. It's a completely like different car. I'll just update you guys. Oh, stop shaking. I'll just update you guys as soon as I get there. So it's gonna be a good day. So let's go. All right, YouTube, we're back. We're back here with the Miata here. We got Moochie in the background. He's gonna help me out today and wrap this car. First thing I should do is show you guys what I did and what the wrap looks like. So let's take this out real quick. So right here is a nice, beautiful midnight purple wrap that's gonna be going on the Miata. This is crazy looking. Oh. It is. It's gonna be nasty. So it all depends on the angles you look at it. It has so many colors in it.
Yeah, I can't wait.
It's gonna be nice on the right on the Miata. This is gonna be crazy. So first thing we're gonna do. Oh, actually, what I should explain is all the things that I did to it. What's the last thing I updated?
I think it was you put the coils on.
Coils? Well, since I had to put the coils on, I lowered the car even more. So it's like a 2-finger gap, and I'm just waiting on wheels. I just have to order them still, and I'm gonna adjust this. So that's pretty good. I adjusted the coilovers. Obviously, I did a ton of body work. I sanded everything down and sprayed it primer. A nice actual good primer. And made it all clean and all that fun stuff. I just sanded down the hood and bumpers and all that. So that's all prepped and ready to go. And this corner here, filled in this whole dent here with the Bondo and all that fun stuff. So that came out really decently. Like, it's a lot closer to where it's supposed to be. Like, this line here is where it's actually supposed to line up, and it's close, but no one's gonna know once it's all one color, and it's gonna be decent. So mechanically, I also did injectors, spark plugs, motor mounts. I did all that stuff. I put the steering wheel in it. I have that video, and I got a radio in it too. So just little things. I got everything apart, all the trim apart, and all that fun stuff ready to go for wrap. Oh. Don't want to latch it. That's why I put down the window. Everything's coming together here, and we're just going to start wrapping the car right now. So I'm also going to try to do a live stream on YouTube. So if I think I'm going to try to do live streams more often. It'd be pretty cool to do once in a while, just to update you guys on what's going on. So today we're going to be just wrapping the car, and we're just going to start right now. I also did the mirrors like the other day, just to see how they would come out. These are like the hardest things to do, but they're coming up in the corners a little bit, so I got some super glue to hold it down real good. So not too bad. Not perfect, but not bad. What do you want to start with first? I want to do the hood real bad. Alright, I'm done. Yeah, I know. So get it all done. We could do the whole front of the car right now. So alright, let's go for it. Okay, so we did one first attempt just to lay the wrap here, and we had to rip it all back off. So the problem was all the clear coat underneath just decided to rip completely off because I sanded it, but it wasn't enough to actually take the rest off. This is really stuck on here. You can see the where the clear coat is, but all of it just started ripping off. I had a bubble there. He had a line through it there. So we decided to just rip the wrap up, and now we're gonna relay it. They're just checking out Austin's car because Austin just stopped by to help out. We're going to be wrapping this right after, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright guys, so we wrapped the hood and more, but actually this is the next day. I just completely got distracted and started wrapping everything, and we were just working and having fun doing all this stuff here. So I'm just gonna show you what we did so far, and we did it quite a bit, but we still have to do so much more because we still have the rest of the car here. We got the hood done, we got the headlights, this fender here, all done, but we're gonna have to probably rewrap the hood again because we have a couple issues here. As you can see in the correct lighting, you can see all those lines in it here, and that's not good at all. This is actually the clear coat showing through the wrap. So what we're gonna do what we're gonna do is rip it all up, but we have to wrap the whole car first to make sure we have enough wrap to actually finish the car, and then we're gonna rewrap the hood again, but we're gonna take care of it, get all that clear coat up so none of it shows up through the wrap. All the spots that did come up and we scraped, it came out perfect, but it's just a mistake. I didn't realize it would show up that bad. Like, you have to be in the correct lighting to actually see it, but Yeah, it sucks. It's way different in person. Like, this wrap is insane looking in person. Like, there's so many colors in it. Yeah, a little update. Just waiting on Mooch right now. Just wrapping a couple little things I can. And I'm gonna start cleaning up a little bit here too. So I'm just waiting on Mooch. He's coming back and he's gonna be helping us wrap this car again. So I think we could get most of the car done. We already got a piece cut for this fender here. Then we're gonna move to the door and just carry on through the whole car. So it shouldn't be bad. It shouldn't take long at all, honestly. Austin might come around later on too. So I can't promise that because he's working, but it shouldn't be too bad. The bumpers are gonna be like the hardest thing. It was the hardest thing with the the Cavalier as well. We actually never just got to it. Bumpers, they will have to be done soon. I'm not really sure how to wrap it yet, just because of this whole opening section, and these shouldn't be bad because I can tuck it, but I don't know how to wrap the bottom yet. So that's gonna be a challenge in figuring out how to do this stuff, but it's part of the learning process here. We'll get it. I just noticed this dent in this. Put some body filler over that, but we'll fix that as soon as we redo the hood. I can't live with these marks in it and that dent now. So this is the main part of the car that you see the most, so I gotta take care of this and make sure it comes out pretty perfect. If it was like in the fender or something stupid, like in somewhere that you're just not gonna stare at all the time, I would just leave it. But I'll update you guys as soon as Mooch gets here. Then we'll just start wrapping everything, and yeah, I'll update you guys soon. All right, we got Mooch here. We actually were doing a little bit of work before because I was like in a situation and I was wrapping this and I was doing it alone and I was an idiot, but it came out real good. That looks super good. So trunk lid's all done. That little section's done. I was messing with. I did these in carbon too and all that fun stuff. Now he's just wiping down the fender, get all the little dust and crap off and all that fun stuff. And then we already got this cut, like I said earlier, and we're just gonna lay it on and see how this comes out. We did is we just wrap this whole piece here, the whole fender. This is all set, so we're gonna move our way to the door and just continue on and get this car done. Right now we're just gonna start. It's all wiped down and I just slapped it too. So let's just start it.
Alright. Oh, this roll just keeps getting lighter and lighter.
It is, dude. It's scary. All right, oh my God, this is gross. It's so hard to see in camera, but we got the whole door done. We even did a little side skirt on the bottom there, all done. We just have to do trimming, but we're gonna skip the trimming for now and move on to the quarter panel here. We're gonna wrap it. We got it all wiped down now and it's just coming along, so it's looking real good. Another couple hours, we'll have this whole car practically done. we might have to do, we're gonna have to do the bumpers on a different day or something. So we're just gonna continue doing this. And if you guys haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We just hit 2,000 subs too. That's a major thing. So I'm gonna be having an update coming up soon for the 2,000 subscriber like special thing. I'll be putting up a video soon, so keep your eye out for that. And we're just gonna keep wrapping this, and I'll update you guys. All right, it's coming all together. Wow, this looks crazy, dude. Absolutely nuts. So we're almost done here. We're gonna actually move our way to the other side real quick. Mooch is just prepping the door and all that fun stuff and messing with the steering wheel. So we're gonna start wrapping the door, then we're gonna move our way to this, and I'll update you guys as soon as we're done doing this. All right, so we got a little carried away and did the whole car. So yeah, this came out really good. I can't even explain. Yeah, this is crazy. We just have to, like I said earlier, we have this whole, it's hard to see in camera, but you can see the lines in here. We're gonna redo the hood, but we're gonna take care of the bumpers first. We got a good amount of wrap still, so we should be able to, yeah, we should be able to do it. So, but it's still a little tucking we have to do, a couple little spots, a little glue, a bunch of stuff like that. So we're gonna have a little bit of work still to do the bumpers. It's gonna come out really good, but this car is crazy looking. Going to be even crazier with the bumpers done.
Yeah, we gotta do the windshield piece.
Oh yeah, and the windshield piece, I forgot about this. Yeah, this is gonna, we'll get that done. Not too bad, not too bad. You can see how the colors are right now. It's like a midnight purple with like a teal in it as well, so that's really sick. But if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna end this video here. Probably next weekend I'm going to be wrapping the bumpers, me and him. I'll record that, make another, and everything else. Yeah, redo the hood and do the bumpers and little trim piece, and we have a bunch of little parts that go on here too, so putting it all back together, then gotta put the whole interior back together. Everything's all taken apart, all the trim pieces. So did a lot of work. It's coming out really good. I'm very happy with this. We got a whole mess in here, but it's alright, we're gonna make more mess. So if you guys liked it, like I said, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.